Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone, confirm Android version, and make sure you have enough storage. Once that's done, open the Play Store and install or update Google Text-to-Speech. This is the only reliable engine for consistent output. Next, open Settings, then Accessibility, then Text-to-Speech Output. This is where you choose the engine. You do this now because picking the engine first prevents conflicts later. Make sure to grant any required permissions so the system can use audio output immediately. Now you configure voices and parameters. You tap the engine and choose Google Text-to-Speech, then pick your language and a voice variant. Once selected, adjust speech rate and pitch to match natural cadence, faster for commands, slower for instructions. Make sure to download the high-quality voice data so it works offline. This reduces stuttering and improves pronunciation. Also test sample text here. If words mispronounce, switch voice or tweak pitch, because that often fixes odd pronunciations. Finally, use the feature in your chosen app. Enable speak selection or accessibility features and test with sample text. Once done, verify audio routes to speakers or Bluetooth. Switch output if needed. If speech is missing, restart the device and clear the text-to-speech engine cache to reset corrupted data. Make sure battery saver is off and the engine is up to date. One key troubleshooting tip: if voice sounds robotic, re-download the high-quality voice pack and reboot. This usually resolves the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.